Zeal Education Society, redefining excellence.
Hello everyone, myself Prachi Chorge, student of first year Computer Department in Research of Pune. Title of micro project Bird Common Emitter BJT Amplifier. A common emitter amplifier acting as before for a logic IC is very easy to design. Choose a transistor. The choice of the transistor market TR1 is in the diagram will depend upon a number of factors. Power dissipation anticipated. Switching speed required. A switching application, choose a switching transistor, not another form of transistor with high bandwidth FT. Current gain required. Current capability required. Collector emitter voltage. This can all the anticipated with sufficiently accuracy before the start of design. Once the design is completed, the figure shall be checked to ensure the transistor the adequate with the values chosen. Simple AC couplet common emitter amplifier design. The electronic circuit design for the basic circuit for an AC couplet common emitter amplifier circuit is given below. This circuit is not widely used because it is so difficult to define the exact operating point of the circuit as a result of variation in the value of beta encountered. Amplifiers are used to increase the voltage and current of weak signal to desired level. There are two types of amplifier. They are given below: DC to DC amplifiers, AC amplifiers. DC to DC amplifiers. In DC amplifiers, is you increase the voltage of DC signal, then the current will drop. If you increase the current of DC signal, then the voltage will drop. You can't amplify both the voltage and current of DC signal at some time using DC to DC amplifiers. DC amplifier involve capacitors for boosting operations. AC amplifiers. AC amplifiers can increase the voltage and current both at the same time. AC amplifier is used to amplify only AC signal. I can't amplify DC signal. AC amplifier involve transistor in increase the voltage and current of weak AC signal. AC amplifier consists of three configurations. They are given below: CB amplifier, common base; CE amplifier, common emitter; CC amplifier, common collector. Out of three configuration, we are going to see only about design EC amplifier, because EC amplifier have great efficiency in increasing voltage and current of AC signal. The common emitter amplifier is one of most common transistor amplifier configuration. Transistor are used either of a switching of amplifying purpose. There are many types of transistor. They are given below: BJT, bipolar junction transistor; MOSFET, metal oxide semiconductor field effect transistor; CMOS, complementary metal oxide semiconductor transistor. Out of three transistor, we are going to use only BJT transistor. Application: low frequency voltage amplifier.